Come on, you guys. You know, hey, Sam, there's a car.
And so much water on my back.
Tahoe, come here. Dummy.
Tahoe. Okay, now I put peanut on their mailbox.
Come on.
Tahoe. No, dog. He's not fun.
He is. He loves the snow.
So did Creek. Creek always jumped up and tried to bite the snow.
He's done that before, too.
Now he's trying to eat the dirt. Hey, Tahoe, get out of there.
He's just eating the snow. It's all right.
Well, he's also messing up your mouth.
It's okay. How you doing over there, Jake? You gotta flip that over.
Flip it over?
Yeah, you gotta flip it over.
Bye-bye. I'll help you, Jake.
Can you fix his hat so he can see? There you go. Fix his hat so he can see. There you go.
Ready?
Make sure there's no cars coming. Yay!